I'll go to the architecture tab again, and then here we'll click on component. And when component is clicked, so here under properties, you see we have a desk selected. So if you click on edit type, you are going to have under families here you have this desk, parking space, tree, and all that. But that is not what I want to use. So I'll click on edit type. It will bring me to type properties here. Then I click on load, which will allow me to go to the external libraries that are saved here in the UK. So I want to load table, which is under furniture. Sorry, I want to load the beds, which is under furniture. So click on beds, and you have these types. So which one is best suited for our project will be furniture bed 1. Click on open. There. Then here, when it loads, you have a twin bed selected. Click on OK. And I want us to place this bed, one of those beds in this room. So when it is like that, and you want to rotate it to the desired location, all you do is hit the tab key on your keyboard like that. You're going to have it rotate. So I can place one bed there. I can place another one here in this room. So those are going to be our bedrooms. So we'll have one there, and the last one will be at this point. These are the beds for those rooms. So we are going to have this as a bedroom, this as a bedroom, and this other one as a bedroom. So let's say this is going to be our entrance point here. So when we enter the building, the very first room here is going to be our sitting room, and we want to have some table and 2 sofa. So here under architecture tab, components, I'll click on place a component. So edit type, and then click on load, which is going to take me back to the external libraries. And under furniture, we have tables. So I can be able to choose from a list of these tables that is provided here. So in my case, I want to use not a coffee table. I want to use a rectangular dining table. Let's say that one. Click on OK. Click OK here, and then you can place it at the center of this position. So I want to rotate by tab key, by the space key on my keyboard, and that is going to be rotated as well. Then conveniently I can place this table there. Escape. Go back to component, edit type, load, and here I want to have, instead of a table, now that we have a table, I want to have some sofa. So I will go to sitting and select a sofa from here. Say we want, let's use this. Click on open when that is selected. Click OK. I want to place it here like that. Then click back to load family, and I want to have a bigger sofa. Let's say this one. Let's say we use this sofa. Click on open to load it to the project. Then we are going to place it here. So I want to space bar and rotate like that. Then we can move to place this at that point. Click on escape, and that is the first arrangement of furniture in that room, which is going to be our living room. As we move to the inside of that room, here is going to be the dining space, and we can load some components for the dining space, because here I only want to have a table and some chairs. So back to the architecture tab here, go back to modify, should be the insert tab, yes. To the insert tab, here you have options for loading family. So click on load family, drop down button here, back to furniture. You have beds, some tables. Click on tables, and I want to see if we have some dining table with chairs. So let's keep on scrolling. So this is a conference, and this is a dining table with chairs. This one is rectangular shape. This one is round. So I think we can use the round one. Click on open. Then it's going to allow us to place it here. Architecture tab, component, and then we can place it at this point. So click to place it, then escape, so that that one will have been saved there. Then we can still Control S, continue saving our project as we work on it. And this part where we have these two small rooms here, these ones are going to be our washrooms, and I can go to the components here and load some families. And then this is going to take us to, I think we'll go to mechanical, MEP, and here we have general components. So here we have plumbing folder. So double click on the plumbing folder, and then you'll have architectural items here. So here you have fixtures such as bathtubs, drains, drinking fountains, showers, sinks, taps, toilet cubicles, urinals, and water closets. So here we have, I'm not interested in a toilet cubicle. I'm interested in water closets, as you can see. So I want to have a wall hang like this one, or this. So I'll choose this fixture, a wall WC cistern. Click on open. Then I want to place one at this point here. Then the other one is going to be placed at that other room. Wash and basins somewhere here. If I go to components, click on load family, and wash and basins are going to be found here under fixtures. I think we have, so under sinks, you have a small basin. You have lots of these options that you can choose from. And in this case, I think the one that is more interesting is sink, bathroom sink. Let's say this one. Yeah, let's use bathroom sink 1. Click on OK. And I want to place it here. So I'll have one here. Then the rest to the other side of the room be placed there. Like that. Escape. But if you look at that arrangement, you have the doors opening towards that point, and that is not looking so well. I think we need to edit these doors by, yeah, like that. So just click on the door there when it is selected. You're going to use the space bar on your keyboard, like that. You'll have that rotated to the other side. So at least it is now going to give us some space for us to be able to access those plumbing fixtures that we have put there. So that's how our building now looks like. We have the necessary components in place. The very last one here is going to be our kitchen sink. So this is going to be our kitchen. I think we go to components again, load family, and sinks. Let's try and look for for our kitchen sink. So we have this double sink. I'll click on that, selected, and then want to place it here at that point. So we have our sink in place. That is our kitchen sink in place. Alternatively, we can choose to have that sink around, and then we go to annotate. I think I want to use a line tool to create some region there, which is going to be for show our worktop. Let's say from here to that point, 600, move like that. Then from this point, escape. From this point up to there, we have 600, escape. We can connect these two. Then when that is done, I can choose to delete this, then select this and modify it back to that position. So in essence, if you look at the kitchen area, we have designated where we are going to have our worktop, and then we have a kitchen sink at that point. So that's how to do the interior furniture using the Revit components and families.